Welcome to Free Documentary Uganda. We are dedicated to bringing high-class documentaries to you on YouTube with the latest camera equipment used by well-known filmmakers working for famous production studios. Hello family, welcome back to another episode. It's Free Documentary Uganda. Like, share, comment and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. See the progress of the construction Nakivubo Memorial Stadium in Central Business District, changing the face of Kampala City, Uganda. In the Central Division of Kampala, the capital city of Uganda and the largest city in the East African country. Infrastructure is a crucial aspect of development. The focus on creating high-quality buildings and roads is commendable. Oftentimes, multi-billion-dollar projects are given to foreigners, but with the progress of the redevelopment, I want to create a mindset shift that we can also do it. If completed, the redevelopment of Nakivubo Stadium could come in handy for Uganda's bid to co-host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations AFCON finals with neighboring Tanzania. Currently, the Nelson Mandela Stadium, Nambole, the other major stadium in the country, is also undergoing refurbishment to meet the required standards to host tournaments of AFCON's magnitude. Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe. Thanks for watching. Us at gabiwater12@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 072-606-5123. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.